bro. I'll be the same way.
All right, here's my podium. Sorry for it being messed up. This is like, our storage got messed up. Here's my audience.
Yeah.
All right. Hey, everybody. My name is Aiden Bankston. Have you guys ever thought we were going to be living in a world where AI detects disease before it spreads or prevents a machine failure from actually failing? Well, I mean...
It was in the movies.
Yeah. Well, we never thought it was going to be like that before the movies or until GPT became a thing. So, I mean... Alright. So, these modern industries I'm going to be covering are healthcare, manufacturing, and robotics. I've done tons of research on this topic, from reviews, peer-reviewed, of course, articles, and papers. First off, the importance of AI. I mean, everyone knows how important AI is. I mean, the government's currently got officials on OpenAI to make sure their AI doesn't get leaked. Everyone's got GPT in their pocket. What's another one? I mean, 50-year-olds know what GPT is. Professors are using GPT in school nowadays. I mean, it's banned everywhere. I mean, it's like the calculator in your pocket. All right, first off, in healthcare. Currently, we're using AI to screen images, review and look through data for certain keywords or stuff we're looking for. Like, say, like someone broke their bone or tore something, and we have like a good report from a few years ago on the very same incident. We're looking to see if we should do a surgery or something. AI can use that, look through that report and say and compare it to like our today's version of it and say if we should do surgery. That's just one way we do it. But all this, even in the image screening, I mean, with image screening, this leads to early detection of diseases, like I said before. Like cancer can go from like a stage 1 that we wouldn't even seen before, but AI sees it somehow, and we remove it before it gets to stage 2. Saves tons of lives. This earlier treatments, I mean, it really does save tons of lives. You can also scan and summarize doctors' notes. I mean, we all know doctors pretty much just like scribble down on a platform. You know what I mean? Like we've seen pictures of this. Oh, I forgot to mention the article that I found this information at. The image screening data is from NPJ Digital Medicine, and it's from Silcox and colleagues in 2024. All right, next up, the manufacturing industry. From a 2020 review in Serp and Alls, Gal and colleagues, we found that we use AI uses vibration, temperature, and acoustic sensors in order to prevent breakdowns. It does this by using machine models and comparing past breakdowns and their failures to whatever like percentage is off or dial is off and an offset value. This is a very good use of money. I mean, we're going to save tons of money in the long run. Machines aren't going to break down. Downtime's not going to be bad. Next up, more into efficiency. From a 2025 paper in Sensors by Pang, Hang, and Wang, they found that AI is also used to balance bottlenecks and improve systems. These are usually also done in virtual environments. I mean, it's just less manpower, and we don't actually have to like move any like dials in person. We can just set a sorry about that. We can reset a dial up and like a software pretty much. We just press apply and see what the change would be. So, I mean, yeah, that's great for efficiency. Money, of course. I mean, we don't actually have to send anyone to change the stuff. We can see what the effect would be before and after. Maybe you can save money in the long term, changing the effect of it. I mean, AI can fine-tune stuff. It's crazy. All right, lastly, in robotics. A 2025 paper in the Journal of Manufacturing Systems by Shao and colleagues shows that cobots now work alongside us using AI sensors, which is pretty much just sensors that see how far a human is away from them by using like audio and light pretty much. So yeah, that's just like the base end of it. But I mean, that means, like an arm robot, like working on like a power plant or something, like a line, can now hand off materials to a human without any like harm, really. Like, we don't even have to think about safety because, I mean, it's just programmed. I mean, it's just not going to be that like intuitive. Sorry about that, I need water. Intuitive around people. This AI also adapts to new environments. I mean, if you move the environment around them, or like maybe something fell on the floor in like one of the warehouses or on the factory line, it can remaneuver that part and set everything up, back up a line. All right, in conclusion, AI is very beneficial in modern industries. First off, from healthcare, interpreting and summing up data is very efficient. It can also prevent diseases. In the manufacturing industry, we can prevent breakdowns, improve quality in the components and the speed of production. And robotics, cobots now work very well and safe with humans, and we can predict failures. My final thought is, now that AI is all around us, we should all be, at least encouraged to learn about it. It's going to be everywhere in the next few years. Thank you all for listening.
Thank you. This is a good speech.